little damp, handle chewed and crooked, tag from some forgotten camp. You don't match my jacket, don't match any of my shoes. Still you wait there by the doorway, like you're guarding all my blues. You're my leftover umbrella from a day I don't remember, holding up a sky I was too busy to surrender. I keep saying I'll return you, but I never ever do. Leftover umbrella, guess I kinda grew on you. Every sudden forecast, I reach for you on the run. We've survived so many sidewalks, every storm a small rerun. Do you miss your first owner? Do you dream of other skies? I'm the stranger who adopted all the weather in your eyes. You're my leftover umbrella from a day I don't remember, holding up a sky I was too busy to surrender. I keep saying I'll return you, but I never ever do. Leftover umbrella, guess I kinda grew on you. One day when it's pouring, I might meet who left you here. We could stand beneath your canopy, three hearts hiding in a smear. But till that tiny maybe, till that hallway turns to scene, you're the random bit of shelter in the mess between my dreams. You're my